Hello, hi guys, myself Meenakshi currently working as Junior Law Associate in LEXIS and Company. Today I want to draw your attention towards the judgment. Having details, Hriday Rajan, Padma Verma and others versus State of Bihar and others. In this judgment, the Supreme Court has observed by stating that in determining the question, it has to be kept in mind that the distinction between mere breach of contract and the offence of cheating is a fine one. It depends upon the intention of the accused as a time of inducement which may be judged by subsequent conduct. But for this subsequent conduct, it's not the sole test. A mere breach of contract cannot give rise to criminal prosecution for cheating unless a fraudulent or dishonest intention is shown right at the beginning of the transaction. So that is the time when the offence is said to have been committed. So in this judgment, the court has observed that in order to invoke the criminal jurisdiction over a matter which is primarily concerned with mercantile laws or the commercial civil laws, there is a need to prove that the party was committing that said act with a criminal intent. So mere non-followance of contractual terms or inconsistency in services is not going to be fallen under the criminal act. In order to prove the same, we have to prove that there is a criminal intent which has resulted in the commission of the said offences, or which has resulted in committing the said act, which is said as the commission of offence under the said section, like cheating, forgery and etc. So in order to do the same, it's also necessary that the said criminal intent should be proved in compliance to the facts of the case. So that has to be ascertained since the inception of the said transaction. So meanwhile, any inconsistencies or breach or non-followance is not sufficient enough to invoke criminality or criminal jurisdiction. In this respect, it's quite essential to prove the criminality aspect of the same matter. Unless it is not going to be good or to invoke criminal jurisdiction regarding the matters which are primarily concerned civil and commercial laws. Thank you.